Hey everybody, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and here on log cabin maintenance. It's great. I love when we can maintain a cabin rather than having to media blast it and so forth. That's why we have to do initial restoration. But when we have maintenance, it's really easy. So take a look at this. See, it's dark. All right, not dark, it's light, but I mean darker compared to what I'm going to show you. So what happens is on this, when it's all intact and it looks good, we want to get rid of the mold and mildew or the dark that's on top of the logs as opposed to underneath. You'll see some green as I walk around here. I'm just going to go around. The guys are all working. And you can see over here, I don't know how, well, if I get closer, you can see how much brighter it is. We just started here. We don't start in the front of the house. They'll test it out. We've got it pretty brightened up here. Haven't put it brighter. We just did the initial clean. We got more to go. Same thing over here. And basically what we're doing is a light house wash mix. We're getting rid of the mold and mildew. Sorry for the noise. I'll get away from it in a second. All right, you can see the X-Jet is probably putting the chemical on to clean it with. This side's in pretty good shape for the most part. It's pretty bright. Got a little green going on. And that's about it. I mean, really the house is in really great shape. So what happens is on log cabin maintenance, you have to determine now when you're coming out after it's already been done, and we're going to maintain the coating. So you see where some sides are a little darker, some are a little brighter. That's going to change how we go forward. On the sunny side of the house, we'll usually put on 2 coats. On the other side, we'll put on 1 coat on the shaded side to try to even it up. If we always do the same thing all the time, all 4 sides don't wear the same way. So when they don't wear the same way, we want to make sure that we put on, either 1 coat, 2 coats, or even dilute it a little bit. So what we do, this is a product with a honey tone. A lot of times what we'll do is we'll use clear or a natural tone to intermix with to change the tone down or up a little bit, especially even on maintenance, because if you just take honey and you put on honey every time you do the maintenance, eventually it's going to darken it up. And that's what we don't want to do. We want to keep it the same. So what we do is we'll cut a little bit with the natural, and then that way we keep it looking consistent all the way around. And then whether you're going to put 1 coat or 2 coats, there's a method to the madness. It's not just, hey, slap 2 coats on every time. Slap on 1 coat every time when it's maintenance. I mean, there really is more to this. And that gets you from being good at what you do to being a wizard at what you do. Well, being that guy that's, or person, gal, company that is the best in your area is by knowing your craft really well, knowing when to intermix, knowing how to treat the sides differently, and so forth. Anyway, Everett Abrams on site of a log cabin we're restoring today. And, well, not restoring, maintaining. And, hey, enjoy sharing it with you. Have a great day, everybody.